Jotugo mag Kenya manigi ng'ol mar winjo madhi chung'ne Kenya e tuke mag Olympic mag jok manigi ng'ol mar winjo Deaflympics omi puonj moyiedhi mageto puonjogi thegore gi yedhe mamedo jong'wech teko. Tiegruok ma kama ochung'ne kod riwruok mar adak kamaeri otim motelo ne timno dhi e boma ma Tokyo, Japan dhi chung'ne Kenya e tuke mag Deaflympics go. Kapten mar timno Isaac Atima wacho ni koro sani gin gi ng'eyo e wi yien ma ok owinjore gi tigodo kaka jotugo.
Once you are there,
Today we have a session with ADAC, and as an athlete, this is a very important session we are having, because when we use substances which we are not certain about, we are prone to be prohibited or sanctioned. So this meeting has assisted us to understand what substances to avoid, to engage with our doctors to advise us on which substances are good, and even to eat natural foods. We also, here in the camp, we have our coaches who are training us and even informing us about the importance of staying clean, with the purpose of going to Tokyo and coming back with gold medals.
We have come to teach our athletes, to give information about doping. This is a very important session for our athletes and for athletics in general. In today's session, our athletes have learned a lot of things regarding doping, why it is important to run clean.